A Farmer and His Chickens by Ben B., Zach S., and Nick B.
The farmer had to build a new pen for his chickens. He could fit one chicken in every 3 square feet of space. He asked himself, how many chickens can I fit in my pen? The draft of the pen looked like this.
To find the area of the pen, you need to break down the composite figure into its 4 base shapes, 2 rectangles and 2 triangles. To find the area of the first rectangle, you need to find the dimensions. Using the left dimension and the right dimension, you can subtract 2 from 9, since this 2 isn't part of this rectangle, and find that the left dimension is 7 feet. And then you need to find the bottom dimension. And this says 4 feet, and this triangle takes up half of that. So this would be 2 feet, and this would be 2 feet. So the bottom dimension of the first rectangle is 2 feet. And then multiplying them together and using the formula that we learned to find the area of rectangles, which is the base times height equals area, we can find that the first rectangle has an area of 14 square feet. And then we need to find the area of the second rectangle. And this dimension already shows us that one of the dimensions is 3 feet. And then this dimension shows us that the height is 2 feet. So that's a pretty easy one. And you can multiply those together and find 6 square feet. Then you need to find the area of the 2 triangles. The first triangle, finding the area, you have to use this 2 feet and half it, because this triangle begins halfway through that, and find that one of the dimensions is 1, and then you can use this dimension and find that the height is 2 feet. So then you would multiply 1 times 2 to get 2. But using the formula that we learned to find the area of triangles, which is base times height divided by 2 equals area, you would divide that by 2, and it would be 1 square foot. Then you need to find the area of the second triangle. And we already established that this dimension was 2 feet, and this is 4 feet, so this would have to be 2 feet. So the base of the second triangle is 2 feet. And then this dimension basically tells us that the height is 2 feet. So you do 2 times 2, which equals 4. And then you would use the formula and divide it by 2, which would equal 2 square feet. Add those all together. 14 plus 6 equals 20. 20 plus 1 equals 21. And 21 plus 2 equals 23. So it would be 23 square feet of total area for the pen.
That's how you find the area of a polygon and a composite figure.
Finally, to find how many chickens can fit in the pen, you have to take 23 feet, and then divide that by 3, and then the most that you can fit into it is the most threes that you can fit into it is 7 threes, which is 21, with the remainder of 2. And because we don't want to pack the chickens in too much, you would only be able to fit 7 chickens. So you have 23 square feet, and you can fit 7 chickens. The end.
I'm learning.